Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying support and preparing the hardware. Make sure both SIMs are active with carriers, then power down and insert SIM1 and SIM2 into the correct trays. Once powered on, go to Settings and open the SIM cards or Network and SIM section. Enable both SIM slots. This turns on dual standby at the software level. Make sure each SIM shows a network. If not, reset the SIM and confirm it's detected before moving to configuration. Now you'll configure how each SIM behaves. In the same SIM settings, choose the default SIM for mobile data, calls, and SMS. This determines which line is used automatically. Next, open each SIM's advanced options to set APN, enable VoLTE, and select preferred network mode, 4G/3G/2G, so data and calls work properly. Also set data roaming and usage limits if applicable, because once done, traffic will route according to these priorities and carrier features. Finish by testing each line. Place a call, send an SMS, and load a web page on mobile data for each SIM. Make sure carrier settings and phone firmware are up to date, then reboot to apply changes. Monitor signal bars and behavior for a few minutes to confirm both SIMs remain registered. If something fails, dropouts, no data, reset the SIMs, and, if necessary, reset network settings. That single troubleshooting step often resolves registration and APN conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.